Alright everyone, I'm here with another layout, and this is, my tape was messing up, and then I had to fight with it for a little bit. Anyway, and while I'm trying to fix it, or whatever, or maybe I ran out. I'm just getting there. Anyways, every time I get a kitten, and Patton is included too, I just didn't print the picture of him. I'll go look for it in my pictures. But Ginger, when I got her, and then Theo too. I have a picture of Theo doing the same thing also. I'd have to find that picture too. I don't know where that one is at the moment. I mean, I have my pictures organized in folders titled Cats. It's just there's a lot in there. Anyway, so or it could be in the one, no, maybe in the ones to print, I'm not sure, or maybe I already scrapbooked it, I don't know. Anyway, so, and then Sabrina too, they all stand up on their hind legs. I literally do, and you'll see in the pictures when I start putting those down, they literally stand on their hind legs with their front paws on the TV aquarium looking in. And so this background is Pink Fresh Studio Some Days. And this is my 6th layout. I'm on layout number 10, and I still have paper left and embellishments. But I don't know, every time I get down to like the last, because I pretty much am down to just scraps of paper. So I want to try to scrapbook and try to use up as much embellishments as I can. Because I have so much in my stash, and I end up, and I'm behind on my kits, because here I am going to get June, and I'm only on February, so I have March, April, and May. I've got 3 months till to do. So I want to get caught up on my kits, and that's what I did last summer. I got caught up on my kits, and then I scrapbooked my stash using anything that is left over from past kits I add into my stash, and well, I never get to scrapbook it, so it just keeps accumulating. As well as my Basil cardstock that I get the cardstock add-on kit, and I have my 4-point inspection I'm going to admit this morning at 8, so I'm going to try to get these voiceovers done. Alright, so these die cuts are Hit Kit Club's Heartfelt. Alrighty. My timer goes off. I gotta go in 1 minute and 24 seconds actually. My timer's gonna go off. I gotta run out and shut. I have a sprinkler guy irrigation guy coming, but he can't come until end of July, so I have to, in the meantime, turn my zones on automatically. I have to leave sometimes 10 minutes, then the next zone will work, and sometimes I gotta wait 30 minutes before the next zone will work. It's such a pain in the butt, but because something's going on, either it's my pump, but the pump guy says that everything's looking good, that it's got to be my irrigation, so we'll see. So that house with the heart, that is a Hip Kit Club's Heartfelt chipboard sticker. And that love, that is a cup, the February cut files that I did. I just used digital papers to fill it in. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, reset. I'll go out there in just a sec. Looks like my pressure went way down on me. Doggone it. That's the problem I have, is after a little bit, my pressure goes away. Because I need them to water my impatiens. It looks like it does. Anyway, so I don't know what I'm doing. I must be texting or something. And the banner is a chipboard sticker as well. And then the always, the die cut by Sabrina in the upper left corner is a die cut from Heartfelt. And then the O, I decide I'm going to, did I do it with the O? Actually, yeah. I popped the O up off the page. And then it's going to say love the fish channel, and then later on I add kittens at the top, and you'll see that in the pictures, but that was like an afterthought. And then there's the fish channel, and I was trying to figure out how to put down the title, and I go with that, but actually watching it, that is kind of, should have put it on the O. Oh well, but that's how it goes. Alright, and once I get my title down, I do some ink splatters, and then that is it. So I'm going to let you finish watching, and when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.